How to batch edit images in Picsart. Want to apply the same edits to multiple photos quickly? Here's how to batch edit in Picsart. First, go to your Picsart dashboard and click Batch Editor from the side menu. Upload the images you want to edit all at once. Select your edits like filters, text, resizing, or watermark, and they will apply to every image in the batch. You can preview each photo, make adjustments, and then hit export all when ready. All your edited images will download as a group with consistent style. Do you batch edit for social posts or product photos? Let me know in the comments below. Use batch editing to apply branding elements like logos or filters across content sets. And that's how you can batch edit images in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.